Hi, and welcome to another tutorial in Python for Beginner series. In case you haven't watched the last tutorial, please watch it and then continue watching. Alright, now let's jump in and get started. Now, let's add a second rule here. If it's a red signal, we are going to execute these two lines. Otherwise, if it's a yellow signal, we want to print a different message. So here we type else followed by a colon. Now, when we press enter, our cursor is indented. So the code we write here will be executed if this condition is not true. So here we can print, it's a yellow signal. In the next line we can print, get ready. So let's run our program. So we get the messages of red signal followed by enjoy your day. We don't get any messages about the yellow signal. Now if we go here on the top and change this boolean value to false and then run our program, we will see a different set of messages. It's a yellow signal. Get ready. Enjoy your day. So that is it for this tutorial. Please support my hard work by liking this video and sharing it with others. Also leave a comment letting me know what more do you want to learn in this beginner series. And also subscribe to my channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you so much for watching and I hope to see you soon.